Today we will discuss the features in Python language. I already mentioned all these things in the earlier video. So if you missed that video, you watch it later. So today we will start with the features. The first one is it is very easy to code. The words used in Python language is very similar to the English language. We need not write difficult code like the machine languages code. All the keywords are like English language. So when we write code, anyone can easily understand it. So compared to other languages like C Sharp or Java, Python is very easy to learn. A new Python language developer can learn Python in very few hours, and who develop or write code developer can use different Python environments. So many Python environments are there like Jupyter and all, where we can write the code, watch the results easily. So compared to other object-oriented languages like C or Java, Python is one of the easiest languages to learn. The second feature is Python language is free and open source. It is free means it can download it without any payment or fees. It is fully free and the source code is available to the public. We can download it, extend the code, share it, and also contribute to the Python communities. Anyone that create Python language can use the existing code, and we can also add or the Python code to it. Using the online forums, we can extend it to others. In this way, we can also improve the language also. Along with this, Python is available in other operating systems like Windows, Mac, and Linux. The third feature is it is object-oriented language. Means Python supports the concepts of inheritance, classes, data abstractions, encapsulation, and other object-oriented features. And it is the key aspect of Python language. We can once code it and use the object again. Python includes different GUI programming interfaces or GUI support. It has different modules such as PyQ25 and WinPython, etc. For creating an application in Python, we can use any of this GUI interface, and it is one of the key aspects of the Python language. The ability to add code in visual environment is the specialty of Python. It includes different GUI environments. I will explain it in the next class because so many things are available. The fifth feature of Python language is it is a high level language. We need not know the architecture, system architecture, or the memory management. Everything will be automatically done. We have to write the code in using the keywords which look like common English words. So without knowing the structure and memory management, we can write the code in Python. Python is a extensible language. That means we can write our same Python code into other languages C and C++. Also, we can compile that Python code in those languages. That is called as extensible feature. Python is a portable language. That means we can create the Python code in one operating system and we can run this code on other platforms. Linux, Unix, Windows and Mac are the common Python platforms and we can run this code on any platform. Actually, this is a difficulty with the programming language like C, where we create code in one operating system, it may not be able to run in other platforms. Python is one of the most portable languages available in the industry. Python is also an integrated language. That means when we develop Python, we can easily integrate it with other languages. Python interpreter executes the codes one line at a time. When we run this code, we need not compile the Python code again, and also it will be more easier and efficient. It can be easily converted into an intermediate code called bytecode. Bytecode is also available in other languages like Java. When we develop the Python code or convert the Python code into bytecodes, it is easier to execute and also it will save the time or runtime. Another feature is Python is an interpreted language. Actually, integrated and interpreted is we have to use same time, because with integrated we integrate the Python with other languages. Interpreted means once it is debugged into bytecode, we can easily use it without another debugging or compilation. So we need not have to compile the Python code again. Python also has a large standard library, and this large standard library provides a lot of modules and functions or code we can use with our program. So these libraries are available in different subjects like data science or machine learning or other problems where we can use those codes or libraries in our program. It can be imported at any instance and can be used in our written Python code. So these libraries we can use. Python is also called as a dynamically typed languages. A variable is decided only at the runtime. So in Python, when we introduce or declare a variable, we need not specify the type of variable. The type of the variable is only decided at the runtime. So with this feature, we need not specify the type of the variable when we write a program. So it saves our time and also it increases the efficiency of the code. So the 12 features in Python. We discuss the other things in the next class. Thank you.